Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I have a new easy postage printable for you. This one is called Lovely Lavender and it has been designed to work with Easy Wonder die number 3. And what you'll find with this collection is that as with all of my printables, there's one sheet. It's a PDF file that has been designed specifically to be cut with one of my Easy Wonder dies. So earlier this month, I released the Lavender and Honey Easy card making kit. That one pairs with Easy Wonder die number 1, and this one pairs with Easy Wonder die number 3, which is my postage themed die set. And so with the dies, if you want, you can use the main die to cut this out. And when you position this in just the right way, what you'll find is the postage grid lands right here. And then these rectangles cut out these individual designs, which have been sized so that you can actually layer them right back into the postage grid. Makes for really fast, easy card making. But I've given you some additional images here, and with those, they're actually sized and scaled to work with the Easy Wonder die number 3 add-on die, and that way you can get some different looks. And if you cut out more postage grids, these will layer right back into the postage grid as well. So lots and lots of designs, and what I've done is I've given you the 10 additional designs to fill the page here. Well, there's 5 that fit on a single postage grid, so I've given you 2 full sets, and one set will be landscape oriented and then the other set will be portrait oriented. That way, you can have the grid going whichever direction you prefer, and there's going to be some designs that work for you in both or either directions. Then what I've done is just to maximize your craftability, especially if you don't actually own the Easy Wonder dies, but you love crafting with printables. I've given you 2 additional sheets. And what I've done is I took these 10 images here, the 5 landscape ones I put onto one of the extra sheets, and the 5 portrait ones I put onto the second extra sheet. And so what you'll find in these extras is I've actually given you the full image as it was originally designed. So for example, this one is... Oh, yeah, this is a good example, actually. So with this one, here's what you'll find, that I actually clipped. This was the original image, and I only clipped that much of it because that's all I needed for this largest rectangle die. And so what you'll often find is that that's going to be the case for a lot of the images, where once you see the full image, which is a full postage stamp design, you'll notice there's a lot more, especially with the 2 large ones. I often have to kind of clip a lot. And so you can always use any of the add-on dies that you want. If it fits, you can use it to cut these out and then put them right back into the postage grid. So if you do have the dies, it is super convenient for that. But I've also given you some additional pattern papers at this top section here, and those are pretty wide. They're big enough to still be cut by the Easy Wonder dies, so they're over 6 inches tall. And also, if you have a printer that will actually print borderless, then this top section here, it will actually print all the way to the border. So you could get, you know, two 4.5 or 4.25 by 5.5 panels if your printer prints borderless. Mine doesn't, so I always have a little bit of a white border all the way around. So that is the new Lovely Lavender Easy Postage Printable. I actually haven't crafted with this collection yet, so I hope you'll look for my crafty friends who have crafted with it and are sharing inspiration. I've been working ahead towards a new printable that will be coming out on the 20th of the month. It's my Easy One Sheet, and I've designed the Easy One Sheet to go along with Easy Wonder die number 4, which comes out the following day on August 21st. So let me show you some cards that I made. These actually feature the one sheet, which you'll be able to purchase on the 20th. And these are actually cards that I made using Easy Wonder die number 4. So lots and lots of inspiration. I've been quite the busy bee. And this is one that this one I made during the secret sale. This was a lot of fun. And if you don't know what my secret sales are, they are invitation only live streams where I actually give a first look and a first chance to purchase things that I've designed. And so Jamie at the Not Too Shabby Shop has been really gracious and allowed me to always do secret sales for the Easy Wonder dies and the Ultimate dies, which I designed for her to sell exclusively at the Not Too Shabby Shop. And so I just love being able to give my viewers and my followers a chance to get their purchases in early. And it's great because we held the secret sale so early that it's quite possible the folks who ordered may actually get their Easy Wonder die number 4 before it even releases publicly for everybody else. But during that live stream, I was demonstrating how to use the Easy One Sheet called Buzzing By that's coming out again on the 20th of the month. And so I made this card. And then right afterwards, I had a lot of pieces left over from the Easy Wonder die. And so I started crafting with it. I'll have a couple more cards as well. But this card I made off camera, and I really love how this one turned out. I actually used a print from a previous printable collection, that sort of gingham plaid. And then one of the things that I did, which I really enjoy doing because I kind of envisioned using these triangle pieces this way, but that is one of those, that hexagon is actually formed by 6 triangles, which I just think is a lot of fun. And so super cute. Be on the lookout for that. Meanwhile, Lovely Lavender is available for purchase, and if you craft with any of my printables, I do hope you'll share what you've made to the Easy Wonder and Ultimate Inspiration Facebook group, because I always really love seeing everybody's creations. It's one of the things that I enjoy most about designing products, because I always feel like everybody else is so much more creative with with my products than I am. And so it gives me great joy to get inspiration from all of you. So please do share and tag me as well. And I hope you'll support my crafty friends who help craft with my printables and share. So you'll find most of them, actually all of them now, on YouTube. So look for Von Marie, Julie Tillman, Kristen Kamato, Barbara Rogers, and Regan Zick, uniquely Regan. They're all on YouTube. They all do fabulous videos, and they also have coupon codes that can save you a little bit if you purchase from my shop. So that not only gives you a little bit of a discount, but when you use their coupon codes or you use their affiliate links, it helps them earn as well. Thank you again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.